How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to show you an exercise to get veiny arms. We are going to be doing a skull crusher movement. It's amazing for getting veiny arms, not only in your triceps, but it will also help a little bit in your biceps too. So basically your whole arms, they will get veiny. So with that, let's get started. To do a skull crusher, it's not really, it is kind of a skull crusher. It's more of an overhead extension, if you will. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do both arms. We're gonna get one arm like this, and you can already see my tricep development because I've trained my triceps. And then just go like this. 3, 4. And really make sure you extend at the top. So extend. This is me not extending. You wanna make sure you fully extend. Repetitions. Perfection. Let's do the other. Very important to keep the elbow as tall as possible. Don't start doing this. Keep the elbow as tall as possible. Take a 20-second break. We'll do it again. But yeah, this is a great exercise, you guys, for veiny arms. Okay, let's do it again. 20 reps this side. It's weird because when doing these, it looks like this arm's so much bigger than my other arm, but they both measure 17 inches cold. Cold flex just means you're flexing without any pump. When I get a pump, they're about 17 and a half, 18. I want them to be about 18 inches without a pump. Okay, do the other arm. And again, if I'm missing this by 20 reps, because I'm talking to you guys too, again, I'm trying to get roughly 20 reps or so. 3, 4, 5. And again, you will feel it in your triceps, which is good. That's what we're really trying to get. Boom, 20. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.